Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an active Apple ID, recent OS, and reliable Wi-Fi. Once done, open Settings and sign in with your Apple ID. This links your device to iCloud immediately. Make sure two-factor authentication is enabled for security because iCloud sync and backups rely on a verified identity. After sign-in, you'll see iCloud options. Don't skip selecting the core services you need next, since this initial choice controls what syncs and backs up across devices. Now configure what iCloud stores and syncs. Tap iCloud settings and enable photos, contacts, calendars, and keychain as required. You'll choose iCloud Drive and pick specific app folders so essential documents appear on all devices. For photos, decide between full iCloud photos or optimize storage to save device space. Make sure you understand how that affects local copies. Once configured, allow time for the first sync. Large libraries upload gradually, so keep the device plugged in and on Wi-Fi. Finish by enabling iCloud backup and initiating a manual backup so you have a restore point. You should review iCloud storage usage and upgrade to a plan that fits your needs: 50 GB, 200 GB, or 2 TB, because syncing stops when you run out of space. Finally, confirm each device is signed into the same Apple ID and allow time for uploads. If something goes wrong, sign out and back in, check iCloud system status, and restart the device. That simple combination often resolves sync hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.